Hey, the portrait here. So this morning, feeling kinda mellow, I found this old video of mine and I thought some of you might find it entertaining, so might as well put it up. This is from I believe 3 years ago. There were a lot of realism challenge back then. I think that's what gave me the idea to do this drawing in the first place. But I never really participated in them. Felt like I was always short on time, but then I kinda just forgot about it for some reason. Just a quick reminder to people that to be able to do decent realism is the beginning of art, not the end. Also, I have done something that is similar and more geared towards realism like this a year before from life. I think I still have that glass somewhere. But nevertheless, I found this drawing and I find the design kinda interesting and some of you might get a kick out of it. By the way, has anyone seen Captain Marvel yet? Because social politics seems to have influenced the perception and reception of this movie so much. I just want to know, at the end of the day, on its own merits, is this movie good? And it's hard for me to find some real feedback of the movie because all the organized factions manipulating the ratings everywhere. It's kind of crazy because the lead actress already cost the movie $100 million in projection. What do you guys think about this whole thing? Because my general feeling is that I try to judge the movie on its own merit unless any influential personnel involved did something really terrible or potentially very harmful to society, which is of course subjective. It's like, where do we draw the line between the personal and the professional, especially in this day and age, you know? I guess I have to go see the movie myself to find out, but I definitely am curious and value what you guys think, so leave a comment. Also, for my patrons, I just released exercise follow along video for shading, so make sure to check that out. I'm feeling very Bob Ross this morning. I'm not on any drugs, I swear. Just pretty tired actually. Happy little trees everybody. Cheers.